Okay, we're gonna make some gluten-free pizzas. I bought this at Burkhart's, $4 for the cheese and the sauce, pizza sauce. Okay, so you're gonna take your sauce and you're gonna put it in the middle of the crust, the pre-made crust. You're gonna take it all the way to really close to the ends. You might need some more. I'm just trying to show you what you do first. Okay, so that was enough for 2 gluten-free pizzas, and I still have a ton left. So I'm gonna save it for like pizza bread for people that can have gluten, you know. Okay, so I added the ground beef that I had cooked when I was making the tacos, trying to meal prep. I also chopped up an onion. I'm gonna throw that on top of one pizza and then put the cheese on both. Okay, the cheese was enough from Burkhart's to fill 2 gluten-free pizzas. So with my extra sauce, I'm gonna make pizza breads for my husband with regular bread. I'm gonna throw these in the oven now for about 15 minutes.